How to use Lyft Pink membership for discounts. First, you want to simply open the Lyft application, and inside the Lyft app, you'll be able to see on homepage, which will look something like this. After that, you want to simply click on account over here at the bottom right of your screen. And by doing so, you'd be able to see your account's profile over here. You want to simply tap on get 50% off with your next 3 rides over here. And this is your joint Lyft Pink to save more options. You want to simply tap on here. And by doing so, you'd be able to see all kinds of membership options over here. You want to simply tap on membership option over here to join the Lyft Pink. To join the Lyft Pink. After completing your payment process, once your membership is active, eligible discounts and benefits will apply automatically to qualifying rides. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.